This is Michael with Mintpad, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to launch an NFT collection through mintpad.co. Let's get started. Once you've created an account and signed in, click the Create Collection button. It will take you to this page. If you hover over the question marks on each box of the form, it will explain what each box means. The first is a blockchain you want to launch on. Mintpad currently has support for Ethereum, Matic, Fantom, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Binance Smart Chain with Solana support coming soon. Today, we're going to use Matic. The next box is the symbol or ticker box. The symbol will show up in the hash of the smart contract, so consider it like a stock ticker. If you're familiar with NFTs, you're probably familiar with royalties. But just in case you're not, royalties are a set percentage creators receive from secondary NFT sales on marketplaces. Royalties are important because they support artists and builders within the ecosystem. Most collections will set royalties anywhere from 2 to 5%. The next two boxes are equally as important as the top row. These are the collection name and the collection description. If you've been thinking of launching a collection for some time, you probably have an idea for a name and a description for it. For us, we're going to call it Mintpad Demo. Once you've filled everything out, you'll click Deploy Smart Contract. A wallet transaction should pop up. Approve the transaction to create the smart contract. From there, it will take you to the management page. On the general settings page, you'll find the collection name, description, and the royalties you set when you initially deployed the smart contract. The recipient address is the wallet address that created the smart contract and will thus receive royalties as a collection sells. You can update these items at any time, just know you will have to approve another wallet transaction. In the Mint Phases section, click Add Mint Phase. Here, you'll set the time, the number of NFTs in the collection, the mint price, and the number of claims per wallet. Most collections only allow one claim per wallet, but that's up to the discretion of the owner. You can set up a maximum of 3 different mint phases, including a whitelist phase. You will need a CSV file with your list of wallet addresses that have earned whitelist. Once you've filled everything out, click Update Mint Phases and approve the transaction again. The Mintpad NFT Generator is a tool you can use to build your own collection from scratch with different traits and rarities. When you choose a file, make sure you separate each trait into different folders that sit inside a parent folder. After you've uploaded the files, you can adjust the layering of the traits, the rarity of those traits, and the number of NFTs in the collection. The base name is the name of the collection that shows up under the image in your wallet. The description will be included in the NFT as well. After you're satisfied with how the collection is mapped out, click the Generate button at the bottom. Please note, the larger the collection, the longer it takes to generate. Once it's finished, your collection will be exported in a zipped folder that includes the images and JSON files you'll need for marketplaces. Congratulations! You've generated your first collection with Mintpad's NFT Generator. The next step is to upload your collection. We're going to download the demo collection and unzip it real quick so I can show you exactly what you need. The collection must contain images as well as JSON files. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. These files store the metadata for your collection and are required for all marketplaces. Click the Choose Files button. Choose the entire demo collection folder that includes the images and the metadata, and click Upload. You will need to click the blue Upload Collection button at the bottom of the preview to trigger a transaction to add the collection to the smart contract. Approve the transaction. Now that the collection is uploaded, we can adjust the mint settings. On this page, you can create a custom permalink for your collection. We will call ours Mintpad Demo. This is the link you will share when your collection is ready to mint. You can also adjust your SEO settings. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and allows your collection to be associated with the right keywords you believe will be most used when searching for your collection online. You can adjust the title, the description, and upload an image so that you can control what is displayed on search engine results, browser tabs, and social media. Once you're happy with your mint settings, click Update Mint Settings. Once you've created your permalink and adjusted your SEO settings, you can adjust the look of the collection page with the page editor. Here, you can set the color of your text, the boxes, and upload a custom background and logo. When you're happy with your design, click Publish Changes and check them out on the Previous tab by clicking the View Collection Page button. This is the page that collectors will see when they are ready to mint an NFT, so be sure to take your time and make a great first impression. The top right icons on the Mintpad dashboard are your wallet, light and dark mode, profile settings, and invoices. Under the profile section, you can update personal and company information. It's important to keep this up to date so that invoices can be generated accurately for tax purposes. Invoices are generated automatically and will show up under the invoice page. If you ever get stuck or have questions about Mintpad, there's a support tab at the top. Here, you could shoot an email to our experienced support staff who are available 24/7. Thanks so much for using Mintpad. We're so excited to see the collections you launch with Mintpad.